G'day folks. Now I apologise for this clip being of a bird in captivity. It'll have to suffice until I can actually get some footage of this guy in the wild. As you can tell, that's an owl, but he's probably Australia's most populous owl and probably best known by his nickname the Mopoke. A long time ago I put up a little clip of his voice entitled The Sound of a Mopoke, which was quite popular. So if you want to know who was making that noise, it's this lovely little fellow. You'll hear it at night. That's the sound he makes. So it's this little bloke. You can see they're not a very big owl. I'd say in size about the same as a kookaburra. Yes, that'd be about right. That's pretty accurate. He's very interested in me because I think I woke him up. So that's the southern Boobook owl, or the Mopoke. See ya. Oh, and Aussie birds do rock. Bye.